Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. We begin with currency trading. The Jamaican dollar continued to slide today, even flirting with the 138 to 1 mark. The US dollar is now being sold for a record $137.96. The Canadian dollar is also higher, going for $106.01. The pound closed at $178.06, while the euro is going for $160.11 on average. The application management and data automation Amanda software is designed to track and manage the development application process. It's also expected to assist in improving the country's ranking on the Ease of Doing Business report. But so far, the software hasn't produced the desired results. TVJ's Andrew Laidley explores why.
The government has spent well over $1 billion outfitting parishes with the application management and data automation software Amanda. It is supposed to help in fast-tracking the building approval process. But according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the software isn't being fully utilized.
We have put in place the Amanda system. We have put the computers to support it. The internet is there to support it. I am hoping that you have been training your staff to use it. But I gather that the take-up and usage of it is not where it is supposed to be or could be.
President of the Jamaica Promotion Corporation, Jampro Diane Edwards, agrees. She's calling for municipal corporations to use the software.
The implementation of it needs a lot of improvement. What we're really asking agencies to do within the National Competitiveness Council, which is what runs this whole coordinated program, is for people to really adapt their processes. Because remember, when you introduce a new computer system, you have to update your processes and re-engineer your processes so that they take into account the new software capabilities. So
there are some processes that don't need to exist anymore, and we will be just eliminating those off the list.
The project falls under the Cabinet Office and is a part of the Public Sector Modernization Initiative. Municipal corporations are responsible for using the system to effectively complete what used to be a long and tedious application process. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in October went down by 3 cents to settle at $67.83 a barrel. The JSE index gained 1,753 points today, while the junior index lost 57 points. Among the winners, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Properties, Lasco Distributors, and Main Event Entertainment. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, Caribbean Producers, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial Services, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.